We will demonstrate the use, care and maintenance for a BTE or a behind the ear hearing aid. If you see, I am holding the hearing aid. It has got two parts. One is the body of the hearing aid. The other is the tip or the part which goes inside the ear. This can also be customized and made into a mold like the one that you're seeing right now. The hearing professional has to take a measurement of the ear and prepare this. Alternatively, you can also use standard size tips which can be attached to the body of the hearing aid to send sound inside the ear. This is a detachable assembly and the mold can be washed for cleanliness regularly and then reattached to the body. The bottom part of the hearing aid is where the battery will be inserted. If you see, there is a small battery door which opens towards the ear mold. The hearing aid batteries come in different sizes, but typical BTE hearing aids use three types of batteries. The larger one is 675 size, a little smaller than that is 13 size, and 312 size. This particular hearing aid uses a 13 size battery. Now if you see, battery has got two sides. One is flat and the other end is a button. Button side is a negative of the battery and the flat side is the positive of the battery. The procedure to insert the battery inside a hearing aid is very simple. If you see the battery door, the hearing aid battery has to be fixed to this battery door. There is an open end to it and there is a closed end to it. The button side will go in the closed end, whereas the flat surface shall remain on the open end. You can use your hand to insert the battery from top and very simply place it in the battery door. This is how the hearing aid battery has to be put. Once the battery door is closed, the hearing aid starts functioning. Typical BTE hearing aids nowadays don't have an on and off switch. So the procedure to switch the hearing aid off and save battery is to keep the battery door open when the hearing aid is not in use. The hearing aid has to be cleaned regularly with a dry cloth or a tissue. We have to make sure that moisture doesn't settle over the hearing aid. So protection from water is important. The ear mold can either be detached and washed, or it can be cleaned using a brush. This is a brush tool. The vent of the mold can be cleaned using the wire of the brush tool if any wax deposit is there. And overall, the hearing aid can be cleaned or wiped rid of dust through the brush tool. So this is a simple demonstration of the use, care and maintenance for a BTE hearing aid. Now the procedure to put the hearing aid on the ear is very simple. If you see, there is a hook shape that has been given to the hearing aid. It is called BTE because the hearing aid rests behind the ear. That is where the name has been derived. So this part of the hearing aid goes behind the ear, and this part of the hearing aid, which is customized as per the ear canal size, goes inside the ear. Now I will demonstrate how to put the hearing aid on the ear properly. You have to hold the hearing aid like this with both your hands. This assembly has to be put over the ear just like a spectacle. So you can just see how I'm doing this. So it will be put on the ear, and this part, which is the ear mold, can then be inserted inside the ear. It can be pressed from outside and similarly it can be taken off very simply. Remember, You should not use force to insert this inside the ear. If this is as per your measurement, this will just go in, slide in effectively,